This video will provide you with a comprehensive overview of the various AWS storage services like Amazon Simple Storage Services, Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon Elastic File System, and so on. And also explain which one is best suited to a given use case. Without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. Let's start with Amazon Simple Storage Service, S3. One of the Amazon storage services known as Amazon S3, or Amazon Simple Storage Service, provides object storage via a web service interface. Amazon S3 utilizes the very adaptable capacity foundation that Amazon.com uses to run its online business organization. As an AWS storage service, scalability and easy access are some of the most important features of Amazon S3. Businesses can easily access their data from any location at any time thanks to the storage service's ability to store and retrieve data from anywhere in the world. Businesses with extensive international operations, for example, that need to access their data globally will find this particularly useful. The durability of this AWS storage service, S3, is yet another important feature. Amazon S3 is intended to store information in numerous areas, guaranteeing that information is consistently accessible regardless of whether one area goes down. Because of this, it is an excellent choice for businesses that rely on data for mission-critical operations, and need to make sure that their data is always accessible. Also, Amazon S3 is exceptionally secure. It utilizes encryption to safeguard information in transit or at rest, and offers a scope of safety that permits organizations to control who approaches their information. This makes it an optimal answer for organizations that need to safeguard delicate information, like monetary or individual data. Next is Amazon Elastic Block Store. Amazon Relational Database Service, RDS, makes use of Amazon Elastic Block Store, EBS, which offers raw block-level storage that can be attached to Amazon EC2 instances. In addition to the EC2 instance store, it is one of AWS's 2 block storage options. EBS provides a variety of storage options to meet the various performance requirements of various workloads, including magnetic, general-purpose SSD, and provisioned IOPS SSD. Additionally, it offers snapshot and backup capabilities, making it simple for users to restore their data in the event of a loss. One of the key benefits of EBS is its flexibility. It allows users to scale their storage capacity up or down as needed, without any downtime or data loss. It also offers a high level of availability, ensuring that data is always accessible and reliable. EBS additionally integrates flawlessly with other AWS administrations, like Amazon EC2, Amazon S3, and Amazon Redshift. By utilizing a combination of these services, users are able to build applications that are both highly scalable and highly available. A lot of customers use EBS to store and manage their data in the cloud, and it is an important part of the AWS ecosystem. It is a useful tool for businesses looking to take advantage of the cloud's power because of its capacity to provide scalable, high-performance storage, as well as its extensive selection of storage options and data management features. Before we continue, if you are getting value from this video, kindly help us to put this video in front of many that may need it by clicking on the like button, and sharing this video with people that it will interest in your network. Thank you for staying tuned. Moving on to Amazon Elastic File System. For Amazon Web Services, AWS, cloud environments, the Amazon Elastic File System, EFS, is a scalable and elastic file storage service. It makes it possible for users to create and manage file systems that can be accessed by multiple Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, instances. This makes it possible to share data and work together with other applications and users without any problems. EFS's capacity to scale automatically and seamlessly in response to shifting workloads and data requirements is one of its primary advantages. EFS automatically adds more storage capacity as your data grows, ensuring that your applications and workloads always have the performance and capacity they need to work at their best. The high performance of EFS is yet another advantage. It uses a network file system, NFS, protocol to provide access to files, which allows for fast and efficient access to data. It is therefore ideal for web applications, media streaming, and data analytics that require low-latency data access. EFS offers high availability and durability in addition to its scalability. It automatically distributes multiple copies of your data across multiple availability zones within an AWS region. Your data will always be accessible as a result of this, even in the event of a hardware failure or other disruption. Additionally, EFS provides support for VPC endpoints, integration with AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, and a variety of security features, such as encryption at rest. You are able to control who can access your data, and make sure that only applications and users who have been granted access to your file systems can do so. EFS also integrates with other AWS services, making it simple for users to manage encryption and access controls for their file systems. Additionally, it provides a straightforward, pay-as-you-go pricing strategy devoid of long-term commitments or upfront costs. Let's talk about Amazon Glacier. A cloud storage service called Amazon Glacier is provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS. It is made to store and archive data for a long time, and is especially good for storing large amounts of data that is rarely accessed. One of the key features of Amazon Glacier is its low cost. Compared to other storage services offered by AWS, such as S3 and EBS, Glacier is significantly cheaper, making it an attractive option for businesses that need to store large amounts of data but don't require frequent access to it. With its unique data storage architecture, Amazon Glacier is able to offer low-cost storage while preserving data durability and security. To prevent data loss and unauthorized access, the service employs redundant storage across multiple data centers and data encryption. In terms of accessing data stored in Amazon Glacier, it is designed to be a slow and deliberate process. A retrieval request can be made with either the AWS Management Console or the AWS SDK by users to gain access to Amazon Glacier data. Depending on the size of the data that needs to be retrieved, and the service's current workload, the retrieval process may take several hours to complete. Another important aspect of Amazon Glacier is its durability. It uses multiple redundant copies of data across multiple facilities, as well as automated checks and repairs, to ensure that data is always available and never lost. This makes it a reliable option for storing data that needs to be retained for long periods of time. The last on the list is AWS Storage Gateway Service. A hybrid cloud storage service called Amazon Web Services, AWS Storage Gateway connects a software appliance on-premise to cloud-based storage for seamless and secure integration of an organization's on-premises IT environment and AWS storage infrastructure. Data can be transferred between on-premise storage and the cloud thanks to the storage gateway, which acts as a link between the two environments. As a result, businesses are able to store and access their data in the cloud with ease, while retaining control over their on-premises storage infrastructure. File storage, volume storage, and tape storage are just a few of the storage options available through the storage gateway. Volume storage enables users to store and access data in the cloud as if it were stored on a local block-level storage device, whereas file storage enables users to access files stored in the cloud as though they were stored on a local file server. Tape capacity permits clients to store information on Amazon S3 viable tapes, for long-haul documented and debacle recuperation purposes. The storage gateway's ability to access cloud-stored data with low latency is one of its main advantages. Because of this, users can quickly and easily access their data in the cloud, without having to deal with lengthy delays or complicated data transfer procedures. Additionally, the storage gateway provides a variety of security features to safeguard data during transit and storage. Encryption of data, authentication and access controls to prevent unauthorized access to data are all part of this. In conclusion, to meet a variety of requirements, AWS storage services have undergone extensive diversification over time. Data storage technologies have changed, and are still changing as a result of the massive increase in availability of data. That's all we got for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified when next we post a new video.